My name is Bappi Kumar Roy. I am the Managing Director of Textile Pvt Ltd. In this exhibition, we have shown lots of machines, especially Hikari brand sewing machine. Hikari is very known brand, but in the market we have already lot of share. But with this exhibition, we have shown some new features of the machines. Like we have tried to show the new implementation of the thread savings and the yarn savings in the sewing industry. Because nowadays energy is a very important crisis in everywhere, energy. So we have focused on the energy, how to save the energy. So like when every factory they are using the air, their system also comes from all the energy. So here we have lots of machine which have the energy savings device with the energy savings option. That can help a factory to make the fabric they run with the low efficiency of the air consumption, and they can save some energy. At the same thing that every garments we need the thread. So for the thread, it is a mandatory issue, but there's a huge wastage of threads due to the operators. Sometimes operators unconsciousness, they are using wastage lots of threads. But we have some machines which is the thread savings option also. So both the yarn savings and the thread savings, we can meet the special savings to the customer, like the garments factories who are the manufacturing. And at the same time, for the buyer who giving the order to factory, they want the good quality of their garments or they're making. So that's also we can ensure. We have some that also ensures with the best quality, the stitching and the finishing. Now you also know that now day by day that of every operator, the price also the cost is increasing. The per head costing is increasing, production cost is increasing. So every manufacturer, the garment manufacturer, they're thinking how to reduce the cost and to meet the buyer price. So that's we have some special machine with the special device which can solve, like maybe on garments you have the 4 or 5 process. On machine can solve it. With the on operator, on machine, you can did it. So this is the future market. Already we have some in Bangladesh, but now that Bangladesh labor is still compared to other countries like China, like Vietnam is still cheap, but it is growing. So now Bangladesh market also, the garments manufacturer, they're also thinking step by step how to reduce the cost, especially operator cost, machine cost. So we have already that kind of technology with that, like on machine, theory of operation, some automation. So that's what we're doing. Also, now we have some new lines of the outerwear. Bangladesh, the new market is, we are thinking like lingerie or outerwear. So that lingerie and outerwear, we have also some special machine with the less manpower, and also that effectively of the high speed of the machine, but quality must be ensured. This exhibition actually, we have to say tremendously, that is the very best till now. Because it's hope like last 2 years there was no exhibition in Bangladesh, and after 2 years, the end of the 3 years, they got the exhibition, and people are now actually they wanted the new technology. So we are very glad that from every factory, they are not before maybe 1 or 2% come from every factory. Now every factory they are sending their technical team, they are sending their production team, they are sending their quality team to check in all the perspectives. So we are very busy, and that's really good. Very good for us that they makes us busy, and they are also taking we are getting their feedbacks. They are also taking our information to them, and hope it will be very good for our industries.